Some of you will be familiar with my book, My Garden, Insights to the Window of My Soul, and will recognise that actually I love my garden. I love to spend time in there. At the moment, it's in that transition time. It's time to move from summer, where it's been full of flower, full of colour, to a time when I'm going to put the garden to bed. I've already started, and as you can see, it's not pristine because there are things out ready for me to work on this weekend. I've started to cut down the shrubs and cut back. The next job will be to take up all the begonias and to let them dry out ready for next year. And then planting spring bulbs, the pansies and so on. So I've got some colour over the winter. Where's the window of your soul? What helps you fill your batteries?